How to draw Elfilin Kirby, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing an oval shape, which will be the left eye. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, to make the pupil on the inside of the eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle, which will be towards the top of the oval on the inside. Nicely done. Now a little over to the right, we're going to draw the second eye, which will be the same as the one that we just drew together. Next, right below and in the center of those two eyes that we just drew, we're going to draw the nose by making a small shape that looks similar to a curved triangle. Now right next to the nose that we just made, on the left and right hand side, and right beneath the eyes, we're going to draw a very small circle. Next, below everything that we just made, we're going to draw a big U line to make the outline of the bottom of the face. Fantastic! For the next step, we're going to draw an oval shape beneath the head to draw the first foot towards the right hand side of the page. Now to make the body, we're going to use simple curved lines to connect from the foot to the head right above. Next, on the left and right hand side of the body and head, we're going to draw a simple U line which will help us make the arms. Keep in mind that they should both be the same size. Now connected to the bottom of the body, we're going to want to draw the last leg, along with the tail, which will be in between the two legs. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now next, right above the head, we're going to want to draw the beginning of the ears. So we're going to want to make a big curved line that almost looks as if we're making the top of a heart. The left ear that we draw will have a small dip on the inside, which will make this dip by drawing a line that looks similar to a backwards C. Now before we work on the left ear, let's go ahead and finish drawing the right ear by extending it all the way down, right here towards the bottom foot. Now let's hop on over to the left hand side and draw the second ear. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Next, on the inside of each of the ears, we're going to draw an outline to help separate the colors. We'll first begin on the right hand side, and we're going to start on the point for the right outline of the face, and it will connect all the way down to the foot. You'll notice that the inside of the outline that we're going to make right now will be colored almost an orange color towards the end of the video. Nice! Now let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side as well. The important part about this side is that we don't touch the arm or the ear, and we have to go through very carefully. And at the end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. This is how to draw Elfilin Kirby. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.